The best things come to those who wait. But what if you're like me and you can't wait? What about if you want it now? I want it now. I want it now. How about a quick curry? Chinese curry. Nice and simple. Let's get cooking. Let me show you. We've all had it before, but I'm going to have it again today. Why not? Oh yes, good old Mayflower. We've all had it, haven't we? And it is really, really nice, isn't it? And it's nice and simple to make a nice little curry. I've got the extra hot one. The 1.29 now from B&M used to be £1. Same as everything, gone up, ain't it? I got myself some cheap cuts of thin cut beef steak. I think there's 3 or 4 in there, which we're just going to slice up nice and thin. £3.59p for them. Some home style chips, Aldi 1.49. I got this rice today. I got 2 because the lad's only having normal rice, and Nat and I are going to have egg fried rice where I've got 2 eggs in there. I think that's £1.9p. So his can be microwaved and ours can be fried up. Nice and simple. 2 eggs. I got just half a cup of peas. There's only me like peas, so I'm going to do them at the very end once I've dished everyone else's up. And a little bit of corn flour to cover the good old beef. Right then, let's get started. First thing I want to do, so this will all be done by the time the chips are done. Nice and simple. Chips are just going to be done in the air fryer. Get my basket out, I'll get the air fryer warming up. And we'll get some chips in there. Because the lad's having chips and curry sauce. That's what he likes. Can have a bit of beef on top of it, obviously. In a tray. So I bought a couple of trays. I'm going to stick them in some trays, as if you had them from the Chinese. That's what I'm going to do. There we go. That's plenty there. We will get them in the air fryer, and then we'll prepare then. We'll start. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the beef out, and we're going to give it a pat down. I can open it. No. So mate, look at the state of it. Look at the state of it, look. Look at this. Look at the packaging. Scissors. Nice and thin, look. That's what you want when you're having it's only thin at the Chinese, isn't it? So I thought, well, if we'll get them, you ain't got a velvet it or anything then, have you? You can just cut them nice and thin, and they'll fry up in a couple of minutes. So we'll get all them out, and we will pat them dry. Good old pat, eh? Good old pat. Yeah, you get quite a lot of beef here, don't you, for thin slices. Nice cheap family meal. Family takeaway. Okay, now we're going to go across the grain. Just thinly sliced. I just put them all on top of each other. Doesn't really matter. Like so, I'm trying another new angle today. I'm trying to see what angles are good and what angles ain't. That one yesterday from above, you couldn't really see anything. But you don't really know until you try, do you? Nice and simple, this. Nice and simple. Look at all this beef, look. It's going to fry up lovely within a couple of minutes, that. There's your beef, done. Get it into a bowl, like so. So you could put a bit of bicarb soda in it and all that if you needed to. But I'm not doing that today. This is going to be a quick and convenient one. Wash my hands. Now we want a tablespoon of corn flour, just to go in the beef. You can use flour if you want. I'm going to use corn flour today. I want to get a little coat, that's all. Give it a mix. And that is all ready to fry up. same with the flour or the corn flour, just seals it a bit better, doesn't it? That's what I find anyway. There's your beef all ready, look. Nice and ready. Onto the onions, I've got 2 large onions here. Chop the ends off. Down the middle. Peel. Now to chop your onions like the Chinese. Like that, then like that. There we go. Lovely. Next one. And I'll do both of them. Okay. Wok on now. Get that nice and hot. With a drop of oil in the bottom. Get it lovely and hot first before we do anything else. I'm just checking the chips. Give them a shake. Guys, I was just talking away and I hadn't pressed record. Do apologise. All I've done is I've just got my pan hot. I don't know if I showed you that bit. And got it steaming. I just put the beef in. It's only been in about 10 seconds. I forgot to record. I do apologise. Just want to get this all, you know, just a bit seared, that's all. About to. Now we're going to get the onions in. Push the beef to the side. I might not need 2 onions. I've done quite a lot, but we'll see. There is quite a lot of onions there. I think that'll do. I've got a thing there. Let me get that off. I've seen it somewhere. There we go. We'll fry the onions up for a minute. Right, now we're just going to mix it all together now. All the onions and the beef. Oh yeah. Looking nice, smelling nice actually. It's only beef and onions, but beef and onion. That's favourite. They're soft. The onion's soft. Virtually, that one's a little bit hard there. We just get the onions a bit soft, that's all. That'll do. I'm going to get them into a bowl. Okay guys, I've just cleaned my wok a little bit clean. And my other phone's packed in because it's overheated. Because I'm on top of the wok. But I'm going to put 500 ml of hot water in the wok. I'm using hot because then it's already boiling away. Then I'm going to get probably a quarter of this or maybe a little bit more because there's 3 of us having it. And I'm going to stir that in. Depending on how thick or how thin you want it, innit? And just stir it for a couple of minutes, that's all. Get rid of all them lumps. Now I'm going to get my beef and my onions back in. And we're going to bring that to the boil. And mix it all together. Right, I'm going to move that just over the side and I'm just going to put it on low while doing my rice. That can just boil away for a couple of minutes, that's all. Now I have to use my pan for the rice. We'll get that nice and hot. Bit of oil in my pan. Get that heated up. I'm going to open my rice up. 2 eggs in. Give them a scramble. Break it up. Chips are just about done. Rice in. There they are, look, you hadn't had them before. They are quite nice, these. Just break them up. Only mixing it together, that's all guys, that's all we're doing. Right rid of some of the lumps. Give it a stir. And I'm just going to put a bit of hoisin sauce in mine. That's all I'm going to have today, I think. Put anything you want in really. Put some good old, what they're called, soy sauce or anything like that in if you want to. I might do actually. I might put a drop in. We'll see how we get on. We'll see how we get on. Break these lumps up. That's all I want to do. Bit of hoisin for your flavouring. About a tablespoon or so. Or to your taste. Break these up. I might put a bit of soy in actually, and put a little bit of soy sauce in there. Now I'm thinking about it. Just a drop. There you go. A bit more. There you go. Just to give it some nice colour, eh? Because you're cooking it alone, so you can put in what you want. There you go, guys, that's done. That's done. I'll just put my peas in the end of there once I've dished everyone else's up. I've never been so stressed in my life. When I made the Mayflower, my frames are packed in, I've had to wait for them to cool down. Oh, it's been an absolute nightmare. I've had a bad week. So the food's probably a bit cold now, but not a lot I can do. Let me show you. Oh, God, honestly. That's cracking on my burrs. There's the chips, look. I put them in foils, look. Because I've had to keep them warm while my phones have cooled down. Huh? Absolute nightmare, honestly. Never done that before. It must have been a bit too close to the pan. There's me fried rice. There it is. We'll get that on there. We'll get that to mash up. Sorry about the camera work, guys. There's been no thumbnails, or there's been nothing. There's been absolutely nothing. My other phone's stuck over there. Look, you can probably see it. Still cooling down. And there's mine with the peas. Looks quite nice, doesn't it, that? Pour some on. Nice and thick. Get on there. Looks nice, doesn't it? For all it is. There's a bit left in there, which I couldn't use as a dip. And we got some of them. I got some of them from Aldi. I think they're about £1.20. Well, there it is. Anyway, let's see if we can get a thumbnail out of this. So, there we go. Chaos in the kitchen. No stress. Chicken curry. Well, beef curry. Oh. Never mind, eh? It's done now. I must have just ordered one. The stress I've had, staying in the kitchen. Oh, it's been a nightmare. Never mind. Anyway, let's crack on with it. What's your opinion, baby? You had your curry yet?
Nice, yes.
The curry's nice.
Yeah,
let's go on to me egg fried first.
Very nice.
It was all because of my phone. My phone's packed in. And I thought, oh, well, it's done. What am I supposed to do? It's nearly done. There's the egg fried. Nice, isn't it? Nice and soft.
Yep, lovely.
Here's again. Could be doing being a bit warmer. Couldn't it? But never mind, eh? Still got some steam on the beef. Let's have a look at the beef. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? She's got a mouthful. She's licking her lips, licking her fingers. Oh, that's nice.
It's lovely. Done a good job there. Even though you got stressed.
Only because of my phone.
Could do in the other room.
Would you hear me?
Yeah. No.
Well, it's one of us around then, and I don't know. I never mind, let's try one of these good old prawn crackers. These are, which ones are these? Thai Dragon. I don't think I've had them ones before. And also a kick to that curry, innit? Because I've got the extra spicy one.
It has, yeah. It's really nice. Enjoying this.
But I say, if you've done it yourself, you wouldn't be recording, would you? So, you wouldn't be tripping over everything like I do. There we go. So nice. Final thoughts, Bab? Final thoughts?
That's good, yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
Thank you, yeah. Really nice.
Is that all the fried rice?
Still got some left.
Oh, you got some left? And curry. And there's that. There isn't enough for one more curry. There's not enough for no more fried rice because I only done like the one packet for two. The lad's had his. He's took it upstairs. I gave him his before it went cold. So we had chips and curry sauce in the tray with some normal boiled rice and the Mayflower and a bit of curry, Mayflower beef curry in the tray. So we had 3 trays. But yeah, all in all, it's nice, isn't it?
It's lovely. It's really nice.
And it's cheap. The beef was what, $3.59? Was it? Say $3.60, I think, something like that. The curry, $1.29. Is that what it was? I think. That's $3.50, $3.60, $4.80, $4.90. Bit of onion, bit of peas. You can just buy the packet, or the packet rice, can't you? Or you know, the microwave packet one is like 50p, can't you? Or that one for £1, an onion.
This one tastes better than yesterday's.
About £7, and you got the lot, and you got the lot for 4 people. And the chips, £8. You got the lot, which is good value, ain't it, really? Yeah, and it's not better than, well, we've had a bad week, haven't we? Really.
It's loads better than yesterday's. Bless you.
We've had a bad week, haven't we? This is probably the best food we've had
It's really
this week.
Nice.
And it's the most stressed I've been. For a 5-minute curry. Oh, never mind.
That's lovely. Very nice. Tasty.
And then I put my beef in, I weren't recording, I was talking away. What a nightmare. Never mind, anyway guys, as I say, I am the old food guy. You don't see stuff like this on, mistakes and that and things going wrong, do you? I haven't got a PO box, I'll leave it in the description if anyone wants to send me anything. Until the next time, what you're going to get, I'm going to get a 10. Because it is delicious, isn't it?
It's definitely a 10.
For a simple curry, isn't it?
It's definitely a 10.
It is, isn't it? We all know Mayflower's good for what it is.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, there we go. And the egg fried rice is always nice, isn't it, Bab?
That's lovely, yeah. Did you make that yourself? That's really nice.
Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.